Hello and welcome to the New Dig Norfolk Gardener. We want to take a harvest from the garden, and there's still much to harvest from the garden. Not least, this lovely purple sprouting broccoli. Now we have made a video about this before. This is a variety called Rudolph. You can see it's full of it now. We've taken the central head, so it's now sprouting. Oh, and the knife just goes through that like butter. Look how lovely that is. And once you do take that wonderful central head, what you will find is that it will give you all these shoots. The leaves are very, very tasty too. It's a really, really worthwhile crop, purple sprouting broccoli. Although it has quite a long growing period, and it does, there's no doubt about it. If you can find the space for it, it is really worth growing because it just gives so much and it keeps on giving. These plants here that you see me taking this harvest from, well, they didn't go in until July. The seed packets do say, okay, you need to be sowing these in March, April and getting them in the ground, but actually you don't need that. You can put these in as late as July, and as you can see, they still give you a worthwhile harvest. Just absolutely amazing. Put it down here. You too. So if you haven't given purple sprouting broccoli a try before, do give it a go this year. And you'll get these tasty side shoots after you take the central head, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So also today we would like a few sprouts, and this is a variety called Brodie, and as you can see they've been standing here since ready since November, and it's a really great variety. I can't recommend it highly enough because they do stand so well. And we do want a few of these, so as usual just snap the ones off from the bottom. And what we also want to enjoy is these sprout tops too. So I'm going to take those off, or that off. Yeah, like a little cabbage, only sprout flavoured. I'm also going to take one of the others, because we both would like one. The sprouts really are well worth growing because, you know, they can stand through the winter, and, you know, you can get your harvests. As I say, for in this case, they've been here ready since November. We've been eating them since November, and they'll still be here as we go into February. So still plenty of really lovely food to take out of the garden. You can also see that the kale, they're regenerating and sending out some nice fresh new leaves, both the Cavolo Nero and of course the dwarf green curly. So So we've still got that to look forward to. So as I say, there's still plenty in the garden that's giving if you just give it a try. And if you haven't tried growing any of these sorts of vegetables before, make sure you subscribe and follow our channel, because we shall be sowing these seeds later on this year, and you can follow through exactly what we do, and you'll have wonderful abundant harvest just like this for the rest of the year. And there you have it. That's what we've got from our garden today. And you can see we've got some lovely purple sprouting broccoli, some celery that's come at the garden, leeks, got a small cauliflower, sprouts and sprout tops. What more could one wish for? And if you have liked this video today, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe, and we shall see you on the next video.